My daughter. What's up with her in that dance?
Yay!
Alright guys, we're back with part 2. In part 1 I did my littlest girl's hair. In this one I'll be doing my other daughter's hair. So let's get into this. Alright, thank y'all again for joining us. As you can see, I have my oldest daughter here. If you're wondering why she has a short little afro in the front, it's because her and I both decided to cut the front of our locks. If you've seen any of the other videos, you kind of see my backstory behind that. Basically with my daughter, when she saw that I did what I did to my hair, she wanted the same look. So that's why she has a short afro in the front and basically micro locks in the back. But we're just gonna start, basically put braids in the front. We are going to do a similar look to what I did on my youngest daughter's hair. If you didn't see that, check out part 1 of this video. But yeah, a little bit more smaller braids. And like I said, it'll still be a pretty simple style. So I'll do a couple more braids going down the middle of her hair compared to my smallest daughter's hair. Honest braids are going to be smaller, so I think I'll do about 5 braids down the middle. Just me, or is it something therapeutic about watching somebody's braids being done? I don't know what it is. I mean, especially when you got that really neat and nice looking part. Oh my gosh, makes me want to braid my hair. Shoot, I just might make a video after this. Ooh, it would be cool if I did the same style as the girls. We'll see. Look out for that video. Ooh, mommy version with the bejeweled face teeth. Oh yeah, I'm doing it. And this will be my last braid going straight back in the middle of her head. And again, like I showed you guys before, I'm using olive oil to moisturize the hair. Now I'm going to start making my parts for the braids that are going down towards my daughter's neck. I'll probably do 4 or 5 on this side. So I realized I didn't get a good view of me braiding on the other side, so I just went ahead and skipped it to the braids I did on this one side. As you'll see, I'm still in the way. But you'll see the gist of it. This I will actually get a few more braids because I don't know if you've seen it yet, but the part that separates my daughter's micro locks from the front natural part of her hair is not completely straight. It's not completely even. It's actually a slant going from one ear to the other. So there's more hair on the side that I'm braiding right now, which means I'll do a few more braids. And you'll see that when I show it at the end. Here I'm joining the very first braid with the second. Just like I did with my youngest daughter's hair, I like to join the smaller braids together. And I'll do a couple of the braids like that. And I'm just knocking it out, you guys. I think in total we ended up doing about 16 braids. which isn't bad, and they ended up being a nice size in order to last for quite a while, maybe a good week and a half. So yeah, we're coming along. And now I'm braiding the last braid on this side. So as you can see, it ended up being a really simple style, but I think it looks super cute. And we're practically done. I'll just go now to add the head wrap and add the face jewels that the girls really like. Here's a close-up of what I've done. I think it's 7 braids on that side, and you'll see that the other side has only like 4 braids. So that's what I meant by how her part is going at a slant from one ear to the other, is not going directly across. And honestly, when she's wearing her head wrap, or even when her hair is let down in the back, you can't even tell. So here it is, you guys, the final look. I just threw a head wrap on there. I added a bead crown in the front, and then as you can see, the face jewels. And there she is, looking nice and pretty, my Onabana. Those are the girls. They always are excited to play dress up or look pretty. They always look pretty, but they love getting bejeweled. Oh, Abby. And we're done, you guys. Thanks so much for checking out part 1 and part 2. If you checked them both out, if you didn't, please go back and check out part 1. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.